This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Yeah, so many people are asking me if I learn a Power BI, will I get a job in IT industry? The second question is I am coming from the non IT background, so I wanted to have less coding tools and high salary packages. And I am from the non IT background. Can I get into IT? The answer is yes. Anybody can come into IT industry, and IT industry will give you high salaries when you compare it to other industries. But if you wanted to be in IT industry, at least you need to know a little bit of coding. Clear? Little bit of coding is important. At least some 10-20% of the coding is needed, so that you can learn very, very easily if you have a proper plan. Clear? So want to learn, what to learn to get a job in Power BI. So many guys are calling me and asking me, sir, I know Power BI, but I am not getting a job in IT industry. Or I know Power BI, but I am not able to crack the interview in Power BI. So what are the things I should know or I need to learn to get into IT industry? So many people, what they think, so they think that they wanted to get a job, that is fine. But only thing is that they're learning only Power BI. If you're learning only Power BI, so definitely the failure starts here. Okay. So without learning any course, if you directly join a Power BI, the first thing you don't understand, the faculty will tell you it is a non-IT people can learn. It is very, very easy tool, no coding tool, everything is perfectly fine. But if you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job at all. So that is for sure. So people who are learning only Power BI for 30 days and creating a CV and uploading it, and they never ever get a job. Even though they get a job, they will be thrown out within 1 month from the company. Clear? So what is that you have to learn to get into IT industry in Power BI stream? Clear? So if you wanted to be in Power BI, so what is that you need to know? You have to learn SQL Server. Clear? SQL Server may take 45 days classes. So this you need to know clearly. So these people will get good success in Power BI stream. Clear? SQL Server you need to learn 45 days, and data warehousing concept you need to know in depth. Okay, data warehouse concept, this will take minimum 6 hours. Okay, so this will be there, so you need to go in for it. Then later you can go in for SSIS. Okay, this is coming from MSBA, right? MSBA has three modules: SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS. Clear? So here we are going to be learning SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, which is called as a ETL tool. Extract the data, transform the data, load the data. So ETL will take minimum 20 days of classes. Clear? Then, so this is coming from MSBA. So MSBA has three modules. So these two modules you need not learn, but you must learn ETL without fail. That is SSIS 20 classes. Then last, you can learn Power BI. Clear? Power BI with DAX. This will take 30 days. Clear? If you have this time, if you have this time, and this is what is the path you should be able to take and to get a a job in a Power BI a stream, and you can easily jump into IT industry. So this is 100% success rate. Clear? But some more people will come to me and they'll say that, sir, I know everything, but I don't know this. I don't know this. Then at least these people also will get 50% of the job chances in Power BI stream. You should be able to go and get the job. Clear? But I don't recommend this kind of a learning. I have to definitely tell you that. So this is the 100% path you need to know to get a job in, or to get a Power BI job. So what to learn? That is what is our heading, right? What to learn to get a job in Power BI stream. Clear? So if you wanted to become a Power BI developer, so definitely you should not learn only Power BI. So many people are coming and telling me that somebody told me many job opportunities are available in Power BI side, and it is completely, I think less coding and non-IT people also can learn. That is 100% true. Anybody can learn. Non-IT people, BCom people, BZC people, any stream. You're coming from MBA background, or you're coming from BCom background, or you're coming from BTech, BTech background, so maybe civil background. Okay, civil people are non-IT guys, or mechanical background, or triple E backgrounds. Any non-IT people can come in. Clear? So anybody can learn Power BI, but if you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job at all. That is for sure. Clear? So you could be passed out in 2010, or you could be passed out in 2012, or any year. That doesn't matter. Clear? You may be having a 10 years of gap. So currently you may be working in a company as a sales manager, or you may be a sales guy. You don't know any technical knowledge. You know only Excel. Clear? Many people will tell me Power BI is advanced to Excel. That is somewhat true because it does not have much more coding. You can easily create a reports in Power BI. Any people, any guys from 2010 passed out, 2012 passed out, or you have 10 years of gap and you're coming from MBA background, BCom background, BTech background, any non-IT people can get into IT industry and they can easily get a job in Power BI. But the question is, if they learn only Power BI, will they get job? 100% no. Even though they get a job, they will be thrown out of the company within 1 month's time. So don't only learn Power BI. If somebody is saying, some faculty is saying you learn Power BI, you get a job. That is 100% wrong. He's lying. Clear? But what you need to learn to get into a Power BI job? Clear? First, you have to attend SQL Server classes. So we are conducting these batches. Okay, all these classes are online. We are conducting these batches every, or 2 months. We're going to be starting a new batch morning 6:30 a.m. IST. Clear? So morning, 6:30 a.m. IST Indian Standard Timing. We have these classes. So after this class, again we have data warehousing concept, then we'll take SSIS and Power BI with the DAX model. So we have SQL Server every 2 months we will have a class, but these classes every once in 15 days we are going to be starting data warehousing, SSIS and Power BI with the DAX. So after learning SQL Server, you can learn SSIS, Power BI, data warehousing in any manner. So, but I strongly recommend you learn SQL Server. Later you can learn Power BI, later SSIS, later data warehousing, or you learn SQL Server, learn data warehousing, then SSIS, then Power BI. So first is that you need to learn SQL Server, and at least you complete for 30 40 classes, and after that you slowly jump into Power BI or SSIS. These two you can learn them parallelly because these are independent modules. These are not related to anything else. Clear? Power BI you can learn first, or SSIS you can learn first. After learning SQL Server, then you can also learn data warehousing. Clear? So these are the three things you should learn. So 45 days plus 6 days, almost 50 days and 50 days. So 100 days. 100 days means it is completely 3 months program. Clear? 3 to 4 months program. If you don't have this much of a time, then if you say that I need a job in 1 month's time, then definitely you are the failure candidate. You are the 100% failure candidate. So somebody told you that you need to learn Power BI to get into job. 100% lot of jobs are available in Power BI stream, but you need to know clearly, if you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job for sure. Clear? Even though you get a job, you will not be able to sustain in the company. Clear? If you're working for a company in Excel or a sales manager, you're working 10,000 rupees per month or 20,000 rupees per month. So if you learn Power BI, and you will be able to get 60 to 70,000 rupees per month if you put 3 years of experience. Clear? So You're saying you wanted to put 3 years of experience in Power BI, and they will give you 60 to 70,000 rupees, salaries in India market, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, anywhere for 3 years of people. So people who are who are having only Excel knowledge or non-IT background knowledge with 1 month's effort. If you learn only 1 month's effort, and if you don't learn anything, do you think that the company will give you 60 to 70,000 salaries to you? If you learn only Power BI. So at least you need to have a doubt on it. Now I'm getting 20,000 salary. If I learn only Power BI, will I be able to get 60 to 70,000 rupees? Is it very easy to go into Power BI stream? It is not so easy. If you take only Power BI stream, definitely you will not be able to get the job only by learning single course. But you are 100% success when you go in for this kind of a thing. Clear? So we have started a new batch 1 week back on SQL Server. If anybody wanted to, come and get a job in Power BI stream, people may be in India, people may be in abroad. So you need to plan like this. You need to learn SQL Server. This batch is started already 1 week ago. Okay. If you wanted to still join in this batch, you can join in this batch. We are going to give you daily recorded videos as well. The missed classes you should be able to easily follow, easily you can follow them, because everyday video will be given. And these classes after SQL Server we're going to be conducting for freely. Anybody can attend them. So we'll give you all videos. Once the class is over, we're going to be giving you SQL Server videos. Then we're going to give you these videos. Then after this, we may start Power BI and SSIS. Any one of them will get started, and you can also join in this. And after that, you can join in this, or we can do the Power BI after SQL Server and data warehousing. Then you can go in for SSIS. If you know SQL Server, these three you can learn any manner. First data warehousing, then Power BI, then SSIS, or Power BI, then SSIS, then data warehousing. So prerequisite is you need to know this. So we are going to give you complete guidance till you get a job. Clear? So this is what is that you wanted to learn and you should learn. And you can also learn SQL Server, data warehousing, and Power BI. This is also good one. But 50% of the chances to get into IT industry as a Power BI developer. Clear? So I don't recommend this kind of a, this one. So I 100% you don't recommend. I don't recommend this. But this is the next one. You need to have it, and you should be able to easily get into the IT industry. We don't have any classroom classes. We are basically from Hyderabad, India. We don't have any, classroom classes. We have only online classes, and we have completely interactive trainings, and you will have complete guidance till you get a job. Clear? Many people from my institute are placed, and they're from MBA background people, and MCOM background people, BCom background people, BBA people. All these are called non-IT guys. Okay, but they are now well placed in IT companies like Siemens, Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies, Infosys, Wipro, and with good experience, at least 10 lakh salary, you will be able to get it in this stream. Clear, guys? So you can easily jump. For example, some people will say, sir, currently I'm in .NET background, Java background. I don't have any knowledge. So I wanted to have a less coding. Can I jump into Power BI? Yes. Because all these things are going to be having less coding. Clear? At least 20 to 30% of the coding when you learn. So the coding will be taught in SQL Server. Clear? What is SQL Server? What is the coding that we'll be learning? Everything you will be able to understand in our classes. But at least 20 to 30% of the coding, many .NET people, many Java people who hate coding are completely switching to the Power BI stream and MS BI stream. Clear? So MS BI is also one more business intelligence technology, and Power BI is also one more business intelligence technology. So what is a business intelligence means, that can be discussed later in MSBA demo that is going to be starting tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. I'll be discussing about what is Power BI and what is MSBA. But before learning Power BI and MSBA, what are the things that a student should know to crack the job? You may be in India, you may be in America or Canada, doesn't matter. But these are the courses that you should do it. Once the course is done, we're going to be giving you a project on this, and we are going to be giving you help to prepare a CV. Then we will, give you project explanation. Then each and everything will be taken care by us. But only thing is that you have to be regular to the classes, and you need to learn slowly one by one. You may take 1 month extra, doesn't matter, but you will be able to get a job 100%. It is not 99%, 100%. You should be able to get a job. Clear? For more information, you can talk to, you can see my website. You can go to my website. So www.goonlinetrainings.com. We can see the batches. Okay. When you go to this goonlinetrainings.com, new batches will be there. So click on this. When you click on this, you will be able to find out. Okay. So when is the Power BI batch? Power BI is available in local language Telugu, and Power BI is also is going to start today, 24th March, 8 a.m. But before learning Power BI, I strongly recommend you start SQL Server. Clear? SQL Server is already started. The new batch will start probably next month. But as of now, no SQL Server batches are planned. So the old batch is started 1 week ago. So you can come to the old batch. Clear? So remember, if you wanted to see the batches timings and everything, it is here. And you can just talk to us. These are my numbers, and this is the number. So 630282571. You can call this number to reach my team. This is my number. If you have any questions, you can call my team. So they will be able to help you to place you in proper course. Clear? So lot of opportunities, guys. People who needs less coding, people who needs immediate job, and minimum 60 to 70,000 rupees per month in Indian market, and they need good guidance, because many institutes will teach you the courses, but they don't give you proper guidance to crack the interviews. We are there. We are the people. We are going to be, placing many people in IT industry with good, teaching skills and good, guidance, and you need not worry about it. You come to us and you can join our online courses. You will be able to get proper knowledge and be, you know, settled in the IT industry. So as I told you, you may be coming from non-IT background, you may be passed out in 2010, 2012, it doesn't matter. Only thing is that, do you have 3 months of time? Do you need a proper guidance? Then we are there. Clear? So I am Bhaskar Jogi. I'm having a 20 years of experience in the IT industry. I trained thousands of people. I placed lots of people in the IT industry. Now those guys are well settled guys. Clear? If you need any support from my side, and this is my number, you can just WhatsApp me if you have any questions. And if you need the schedules and other one, you can talk to my team. So these are my team's number. You can just please reach out them. And if you have any questions, you can also post them in your YouTube. Please share this video to your friends and your people. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. So Jai Hind. Thanks. Good luck.